All right, so back here under Hazel, I'm working on getting the original rubber filler neck coupler off, because the filler neck itself runs through it internally, and the rest is used kind of for the vent. Problem is, this is so hard because it's so old. It's dry rotted and cracked. The original, when you put it on, it's flexible enough to slide right on. Well, the old one is not very flexible, as you can see. So I'm having to try to cut it off. The other problem is, everybody keeps sending me a piece of straight rubber. Does not work. It needs to have that molded bend. So I'm in the battle trying to find that. Every vendor, oh yeah, this is it. Nope, because then it kinks. And when it kinks, then the vent won't work. So that will not fly. But I'm going to get this off, get a video of the rest of the filler neck, and then we can go from there. All right. Finally got that headache off. You can see it fills through here and it vents around here. That's why we have such a big filler neck. It's crude, it's rudimentary, but it does the job. Now to try to locate one with the correct diameter and the correct molding.